What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna go ahead and announce the winners of the giveaway. So for this giveaway, once again, there was 3 lucky winners and we're gonna go ahead and announce them right now, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, there we have it, you guys. Those are the 3 winners. I really do appreciate everyone that went ahead and entered this giveaway. If you guys did not end up winning, be sure to continue to enter in future giveaways. I will be having a lot more soon, so make sure you guys stick around for that. But alright, you guys, if you guys were chosen for this giveaway, make sure that you guys hit me up as soon as possible. That way I could ship you guys your clippers as soon as possible. So yeah, make sure you guys send me a DM either on Instagram, Snapchat, or YouTube. That way we could get this shipping started. So yeah, hit me up. But for this video, you guys, I ended up cutting my son's hair to get him ready for his first day of school. And at first he was not cooperating at all. I had my wife bring him to the shop, and when he was on his way over here, he ended up falling asleep. So basically for like the beginning of the haircut, you guys, he was pretty much asleep. But that's it for the intro, you guys. Enjoy the video. Alright, you guys, so before this video actually starts, I do want to let you guys know that I did mess up on the recording process of it. It's going to come to a part where it automatically skips from one step to a whole bunch of different steps, and it's because I thought I was recording a couple steps, but I guess I wasn't. So I mean, I'll just go ahead and explain it once I get to that point, but for now, here I am wetting my son's hair with some water because I am going to be trimming the top, because he had a comb over before and I didn't really like the comb over. I like more the curls on top and the style. So I'm pretty much gonna be evening it out on top. So whenever I'm doing any type of kid's haircut, I always like to go ahead and begin with the lineup first, And that's only because like in the beginning of the haircut, that's usually when they're like the best, where they're really sitting still and really into the haircut. And I figured like when I used to always wait till the very end, usually they're already tired and they already want to get out of the chair, so they're more likely to be moving all over the place. So yeah, I figured since I like to do this first, I get the hard part out of the way, and then like once I'm starting to do the fade, when I'm finishing the haircut, it won't be that big of a deal once he starts moving because it's the fade. So yeah, so that's why I always like to start off in the hairline with kids. Alright you guys, so now to begin the fade, here I do have my cordless T-outliner. I'm basically just going to be setting in the bald guideline. And for the fade, I'm going to try to keep it kind of like in the mid area, and then I'm going to be dropping it towards the back. Alright, so now here I have the shaver and I'm basically just cleaning up the very bottom, making sure that it's nice and bald. But here at this next part of the video is where you're gonna really see like the difference where I messed up, because I forgot to record the no guard all the way open, and also I attached my number 1 guard and then went above the no guard all the way open another inch, and then I blended in the middle with the half guard. So yeah, I forgot to record all of that. But here I do have my clipper with no guard with the lever all the way closed, and basically I'm gonna just be working in one little section, and starting with it all the way closed, I'm gonna be flicking up about 1/4 of an inch, then lifting up my lever halfway, and then once again flicking up about 1/4 of an inch, and then opening up the lever all the way just to go ahead and completely blend out that bottom line. Now here I have my number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed, and if you notice I kind of sectioned off a little bit from the top, kind of like where his head starts to round out, and that's just so I'm not able to cut off any of the long hairs on top. And if you guys notice, I am going in like a bunch of directions, and that's because like my son's hair likes to lay down a lot, so by going in a whole bunch of different directions, I'm gonna be able to make those little hairs stand up, and so I'm able to cut them. Alright, so now here at this point I'm gonna start to down fade to the middle of the line. And here I have the number 1.5 guard, and I'm basically just going to be starting with the lever all the way open and kind of work my way down to where it's all the way closed. Now here I have my number 1 guard, starting with the lever all the way open. We're going to go ahead and continue to down fade to get rid of the bottom line. Alright, so now here to finish off the fade, I have my half guard, and I'm basically just going to be cleaning up any imperfections that I see. Alright, so here I am actually applying some of the Johnny B gel on top of his head, just to go ahead and make the curls stand out and give the curls a little bit of hold. Now just to give the curls a little bit more definition, I like to use a little diffuser that comes with the Dyson blow dryer, just to make it stand out a little bit more. Alright, so just to go ahead and finish off the haircut, I will be adding a little part to the side. Doing this part gives the haircut like pretty much the complete look, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm using the Babyless skeleton trimmers. I don't know exactly what they're called, but these things are nice. I think these are probably like the best liners I've used so far. But when I'm doing this line right here, I always like to set in a guideline first, and then kind of go in with the clipper upside down and start to thicken up the line just little by little. But you guys, that was the cut. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below on what type of videos you guys like to see. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Zepeda the Barber. But once again, congratulations to the winners, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.